Hello and welcome to 6-Minute Maths, and today we're going to look at ratios and how to simplify ratios. And for those of you that have watched my video on simplifying fractions, very similar. So let's get to the first slide and get going. So when we did simplification of fractions, and I'll just give you an example, if we wanted to simplify 2/4 into a lower number, then I can look at these and I can see straight away that both these numbers will divide by 2. So I can reduce that fraction down, I can simplify it by dividing both the top and the bottom number by 2. So 2 into 2 goes once and 2 into 4 goes twice. So I've simplified that in its lowest form, and it's no different with ratios. Okay, we look at the number, and if you look at the rule there that's on the right hand side, you find a common number that fits into both sides or both values or the shares, divide the common number, and then repeat it until we get it into the lowest possible form that we can. So I'm looking at 8 and 12 here as a ratio, so that could be, I don't know, 8 red marbles for every 12 marbles. So I'm going to reduce it to its lowest form, and I'm going to divide it by 4, because my 4 times table goes into both of those. So 8 divided by 4 goes in twice, 12 divided by 4 goes in 3 times. So the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is actually 2 to 3. So for every 2 marbles, there's 3 red marbles. Let's have a look at number 2. Number 2, just looking at that, I can know my 3 times table, so I know they will both divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3 goes in 5 times, and 9 divided by 3 goes in 3 times. So if that was red socks to white socks, so we'd have a ratio of 15 red socks to every 9 white socks. When it's simplified, it's a ratio of 5 to 3. It's the same proportion, just in a lower form. Number 3, I know my 6 times tables, and I know that 6 goes into 18 and it also goes into 24. 6 into 24 goes 4 times, and 6 into 18 goes 3 times. So the ratio for this, simplifying this, is 4 to 3. Okay, let's have a look at a couple more. Let's move to the next slide. So, very similar numbers to the first slide, but with this slide, there's measurements, so it's meters. So we've got a ratio of 40 to 80, 40 meters to 80 meters. And I know that both those numbers will divide by 40. 40 into 40 goes once, and 40 into 80 goes twice. So it's a ratio of 1 to 2. And if you look at that, 40 and 80, 80 is double 40, so it is, there's one lot of 40 to 2 lots of 40 on the second side, which makes 80 meters. This one here, 99 to 66 centimeters, I can see a number very clearly that will go into that, and that would be 33. So 33 into 99 goes 3 times, and 33 into 66 goes 2 times, so it's a ratio of 3 to 2. We'll do one more. Let's do this one here, number 4, 14 kilometers to 16 kilometers. So they'll both divide by 2. Let's try 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So it's 7 to 8. Just as another example, if we've got something that say was 12 to 36, and we divided them both by 2, then that would be 2 into 6 goes 12, and 2 into 36 goes 18. Now that example will simplify again, so I could take 6 and 18 and then I could simplify them. I could divide them both by 6. The first time I divided them by 2. 6 into 6 goes once. 6 into 18 goes 3 times, so my final answer for that is 1 to 3. What I could have done was gone 12 to 36 and divided them both by 12. 12 into 12 goes once. 12 into 36 goes 3 times. So I've got the same answer as here. All I've done, the bigger number you use that you can divide into, the less steps it will take. Here I've used 2 and then I've used 6. But here I've just used 12 on its own. And that's simplified straight away. So it's a little tip there for you. Look for the biggest possible number you can to go into both sides. Okay, let's have a look at a couple of questions. So it says Jake harvested 30 pounds of eggplants and 90 pounds of carrots. What is the ratio in its simplest form? So we're not doing anything different here. It's 30 to 90. So we could divide them both by 10. So I know that 10 into 30 goes 3 times. 10 into 90 goes 9 times. So 3 to 9. All I've done is knock the 0 off, divided them by 10. But I can reduce that one again. I can divide these now by 3. 3 into 3 goes once. And 3 into 9 goes 3 times. So the ratio of eggplants to carrots is 1 to 3. Let's look at the next question. A floor mirror is 24 inches and 58 inches long. What's the ratio of the length in its lowest form? So let's divide those by 2. Try 2, which would be 12. And half of 58 is 25. It's 25. And then 4 is 29. That can't go any lower. That's the lowest ratio it will be. So the answer is 12 to 29. This one here, 54 to 81. I'm guessing 9 times tables. Let me just check. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and 54. Then we go 63, 72 and 81. Yeah, so both those numbers are in the 9 times table. So 54 goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, so that's 6. And into 81 it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, so that's 6 to 9. But that can be simplified and reduced again. We've done it by 9, but if we divide this by 3, we're going to get 2 to 3. So the answer, the comparison of the two buildings, is at a ratio of 2 to 3. Okay, thanks for watching.